Gutu Rural District Council, led by its chairman, Nicholas Zambara, has refused advocate NelsonchamIsa to build a boarding school and a hospital in his home area in Ward 23 in Chiwara. Sabina Mashukubuda Pangwa Inoi, Achankonzi Chamisa has been blocked again from developing his rural homeland. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibida Pangwa Inoponoko Zimbabwe's politics is very, very toxic. Manawano Danjara Chiti, Gutu South has 10 secondary schools and one boarding Mukaro High, and the majority of children in the constituents walk 17 kilometers to school every day. They leave home at 4 in the morning and get back at 8 p.m. The only other boarding in the constituents is the Sandum Academy, an expensive private school owned by ZANU-PF National Secretary for Security Love Momatuke. Gutu South, which is one of the most popular constituencies in the country, has no referral hospitals, and the villagers hike 70 kilometers to Mashingo, and the situation is exacerbated by the absence of ambulances. Debate almost degenerated into a fist fight during a full council meeting on Thursday, when Zambara claimed that villagers in Chiwara had rejected the idea of the school and the hospital. He was supported in his assertions by Gutu Acting District Development Coordinator Chiedza Tafirei. He alleged that the villagers had told him that the school and the hospital would take away a lot of their land. The exchanges became so harsh that Zambara threatened to eject Ward 33 Councillor Bernard Chimwango, who supported the project, out of the meeting. Domashkarubuda Pangwa ine kunyatsonwa kunzi aiwa politics in Zimbabwe is very, very toxic. Vakomana vachi-exaggerata panguva ine vachiisa manyepo, and now they are clashing. Panguva ine vachiti ma-citizens aiwa vekuchiwara vari kuramba chikoro pamwe chete nehospital vachitanzi munopedza land yedu. Kunyange vana vegrade 0 chaivo chaivo, they will never believe this. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.